Happy 50th birthday, Annadelle. The best years is yet to come. Enjoy being 50. And then enjoy being 60s when you get there. I miss you. I love you.
Hi. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Happy birthday. It's your golden year. Kabay pang madamo pa ang mga tinuig na makaselebrate kasi imong birthday. Na-miss na kita. But time constraint, hindi ka gidya kapuli. Through message lang po. Through video call. I'm very hard now. Miss you. Happy birthday. Love you, Day. Love you, my Inday Gamay.
Hi, Auntie. Happy 50th birthday. And on behalf of the entire Otero clan, I would like to formally congratulate you for reaching 50 years old. You are now past the Otero bloodline curse. Congratulations. Bitaw, Auntie, thank you so much for everything. I really hope and wish that you will be able to attend our wedding, but saon taman layo man ka. So, sa next na wedding na lang. Charot. Bitaw, you've always been the cool one, the caring one, the loving one. Thank you so much, Auntie, for everything. Don't forget to make some stretches tonight before you go dancing. Kay ikaw ba ang dancing queen of the family. Hope you keep on smiling like you always do. Keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what nieces are for. In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what nieces are for. And thank you again for everything, Auntie. I love you so much. With love, from Australia. Hip hip, hooray! Happy birthday!
Hey! Go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Day. Dagamay. O, kani ko nari kani sa lagi ta. Sunod ka sa ako, no? So, sa ako mo na, o. Kabay pa mag-enjoy ka sa imong 50th na birthday. Kagabay pa magdumduman mo, nga ginahimo ka karito. Nasagot pa ka sa cartoon. Kaya wala kita sa kung higado ka. So, wala kita tarak-tarak. Karton ang ginabutangan ko sa imo tarak-tarak. Kabay pa mag-enjoy ka gid with your friends, with your family, kay Alex, kay sa kabataan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Auntie. Love you.
Love the longging. Oh.
Dalangging.
Happy birthday, Day!
Happy birthday, Auntie. We love you and we miss you. Ulit nga soon.